Today we're going to demo the Newair FlipShelf wine and beverage cooler. Now this is the most customizable fridge on the market. You will not find these shelves anywhere else. So what makes these so unique is you have the option to store either cans or wine bottles to perfection. As you'll see, once you take out the shelves, one side is completely flat to store cans, and then once you flip it, you have these grooves that hold wine bottles in place. What's also great about these shelves is once you pop them in, they lock into place. So your shelf isn't going to go spilling out and cans and bottles aren't going to go all over the floor. We've also included these custom notches all along the side of the cabinet, so you have tons of different variations. You can store tall cans, short cans, growlers, big champagne bottles, anything you want. You can mix and match and make this the fridge of your dreams. This is also a really great fridge because it has a front venting grill, so you can build this into your cabinet, or you can freestand it in your living room. So really it can go wherever you need it most.